If you have a Soundtrap project with multiple tracks, it can be hard to organize them. The quickest way to fix this is by working with the names of the track. So if you have 3 people recording audio, you don't want them all to be called Mike. So you would click the 3 dots here and choose Rename. Then you can type in the person's name, and that will help you stay organized. The other means of staying organized is working with the colors. You can see the different colors of tracks right now, but you can actually go in and select a specific color for each track. So if you wanted your microphones to be one color and your instruments to be another color, you could do that. You can organize it whatever way works best for you.